Alright guys, so I just want to quickly show you the two different styles of business cards that they have. These are the aluminum ones, and this is also aluminum. So the biggest difference is when they sell you these, they just tell you they're black business cards. This one says that they're anodized. So I guess the difference really is one's just painted on, and as you can see the edges, that's just aluminum, and it is very sharp. As opposed to the anodized, they're actually anodized on all, front, back, and the sides. This is the 0.8, so as you can see, it doesn't really bend. You can bend it, but it's not bendable really. This one is 0.4, very flexible. The paint does scratch off, as you can see, so I mean they're good for, I guess, if you have a specific purpose. They're very shiny. It won't scratch with your nail, but basically one card scratched my other card, as you can see here. And when you try to engrave it, I'm trying to show you the detail here. It works, and that's just me making different adjustments. But it almost seems like it's either all or nothing kind of, so it just removes. Maybe if you printed it with the dot settings, this one here will actually do shades a lot better. So that's me doing, multiple different on the faces. I did a lot of different variations here. And this is the best one. Turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. But I think somebody would prefer this. And again, nice and sturdy. I mean, it's not gonna just bend in your wallet or whatever. Nice and straight, as opposed to this. Like I said, you will definitely cut yourself if you were to slide your finger a little too fast here. So yeah, I just want to show you how they come. They come in a little bag, and then it has, which is nice actually, this one comes with a little box. Comes with a little box, which is convenient. But as you can see, right, they come in like batches. And another thing I noticed is some of them are pretty decent, like this one's pretty good, right? But then as you look through them, every once in a while you get this. I don't know if you can see that, but like they're defective. And it's not gonna come off. It almost looks like maybe as they were painting it, maybe they were wet and they just kind of stuck to one another. But look, even this one, I don't know if you can see it on there or not, but it's like this dots that don't come off. So just something to keep in mind. I mean, these are much cheaper. I want to say they were like $20 for 100. So depending on what you're doing, this might work for you. And then these were the, hold on one second here, there we go. These are the anodized ones. It came in a box, and they were actually individually wrapped, right? So every single one is like wrapped like with its own little pouch. See, that way they don't all get scratched up. And it's a matte color, and you can almost see the aluminum kind of pattern there, as opposed to this one, right, which is just spray paint, some kind of paint. But I mean, like, you can see the scratch marks just from it sliding around on a table. And then these here, just pick a dark spot like here. So I think the anodized sticks a lot better, but you guys let me know what you think. I'll throw the link down below if you want to buy either one. Personally, I go for this one. If you're on a budget, maybe, but even on a budget, I wouldn't do it, but it's up to you guys. So let me know what you think.